guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe. In this video, I'll be telling you about my Nykaa haul, the 10 products that I shopped recently from Nykaa, and it was also my birthday gift. So here are the products, 10 products in it that I recently shopped from Nykaa, and to be honest, I have loved each and every product in here. There's no single product that I haven't loved or I am not looking further to use them more. So if you want to know what the products are, continue watching this video. I bought from Nykaa recently, and to be honest, I'm in love with all of the products that I bought. The first product I'll be talking about is my L'Oreal Paris Hydra Fresh Active Genius Face Creme. This creme provides you 24-hour hydration. Trust me, I've used many another face Hydra cremes, but this creme is superb. This Nykaa for 600 rupees, and to be honest, 600 rupees for this cream is worth it because of all the qualities that this creme has, and I'm in love with it. It provides you with superb hydration, like 24 hours hydration is superb when you buy a cream for 600 rupees. B, it has a wonderful smell. C, the texture is so light and so shiny on your skin. You just can't believe it. And D, it is super for the people who have very sensitive skin and dry skin like me. So this creme provides me 24 hours of hydration, and it has matte to last liquid lipstick in the shade Kufri. It is a gorgeous pinkish shade, I would say. This is how it looks. It is 5 ml each, and it is for 600 rupees. I got this again for 600 rupees, but 600 rupees for such a lipstick is absolutely fine because this is the shade. So yes, 600 rupees for this lipstick is absolutely fine because A, it is smudge proof, B, it is transfer proof, which is really needed in lipsticks. I want my lipsticks to be smudge and transfer proof always. So I think if you want to have your hands on such a lipstick that is vivid and matte and it gives you a glossy finish also, so Nykaa lipsticks are perfect to use, trust me. Then the next product I have in here is my L'Oreal Paris makeup brush set. I got this for 800 rupees. The actual price was 1000 rupees, but there was a flash sale going on Nykaa a few days back, and I bought this. And also this set is not available now because it was available only in the flash sale for I think 2 hours. So it has a blush brush, foundation brush, blending brush, angular brush, and a small eye brush. If you want to go on in something on your lower lash line, you have to apply highlighter. Honestly, these brushes are super for 800 rupees. 5 brushes for 800 rupees. It is worth your money. But the only thing I did not like in this set is the blush brush because it is soft. The brushes are very soft and the textures are very good for your skin. But the only thing is the amount the blush brush is not able to take that I want for my skin or I want on my face. So the only drawback a little bit is for the blush brush. Otherwise, these brushes are superb. Next product that I bought is my Miss Claire Bronzer and Highlighter Makeup Studio Palette. This is a 0101. This is a 01 palette by Miss Claire. I've always been a fan of Miss Claire products. I have many products earlier. So this is how it looks like. And the bronzer and highlighter, I'm in love with these highlighters. They are super gorgeous, like way more gorgeous than I imagined that this palette would be. And I got this for 500 rupees, which is very reasonable, very reasonable for such a palette that has your bronzer, your blush, and 2 highlighters. This one is for your face, and this one is for your eyes or your eyebrows, to be particular, but you can use it but you can use it on your cheekbones also. But for 500 rupees, this palette is superb. It is super pigmented, super gorgeous, super shiny, and it lasts up to 8 hours. So if you want a palette or a mini palette that you can travel with everywhere and you want it, so definitely go for this one. Nykaa Nail Enamel Lipstick. This is in the shade 68. I bought this for 300 rupees from Nykaa. And to be honest, for 300 rupees, this nail paint is worth, because it stays for 7 days on your nails and doesn't chip off your nails, which is a very good point. I always want my nail paints to be like that, because otherwise the nail paints start chipping off and we have to apply it again after removing, so that is very irritating. So this is worth it. And then I have this mini eyeshadow palette right with me, which is currently my favorite eyeshadow palette because of the colors it has. My goodness, it has 3 neutral shades right here. Its palette is superb. Like, you cannot even imagine the quality of this product, because there are super pigmented shades. Also, I love this palette because it has neutral shades, it has transient shades, it has pink shades, it has shimmer shades, which are all the shades I need to create a perfect eyeshadow look. And I would definitely recommend you to have this palette, because for 300 rupees when you get such a product, it's all worth your penny. The favorite shade from this palette of mine is these top 2 right here. It is a beautiful transient shade, and this pink is super gorgeous. It looks ultimate on your skin, which is why I love them. Super primer, trust me guys, it is silicone based primer, and it feels so nice and so light on your skin that I want in my primers. Because what happens is, sometimes the primers are too heavy and they are too in my skin that I don't like. So I like these light primers, and it gives your face a velvety texture. Trust me, it gives your face superb. It gives your face like a canvas that you can paint anything on. So if you want a primer which gives your face so much of soothing and perfection, trust me, you can go for this primer. I bought this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 220 Natural Beige. You all know that. But I cannot carry that foundation bottle everywhere that I go, so I wanted a mini foundation for that. So I got this for rupees 250 from Nykaa, which is totally worth, because it has 18 ml in it. And 18 ml and 250 rupees for a Maybelline foundation, it's super. You can have your hands on it, trust me. The next in, I have my Nykaa mini matte lipstick. It is a solid matte lipstick in the shade 16M Spiced Cabernet. I love this shade. This is superb, and it is matte to last. A. B. It is smudge proof. C. It is transfer proof. And D. It is of velvety texture, which makes a lipstick perfect. I got this for 350 rupees from I got this for 350 rupees from Nykaa, which is a slight expensive for such a mini lipstick if you ask me. But then again, because of the qualities that it has, it's all fine. Kajal, and I got this for 400 rupees. This kajal is intense black. It is waterproof. It looks gorgeous. I have used this kajal on my detailed tutorial part 2, so if you haven't checked that out, check it out. And I love this kajal because it is so smooth on the waterline or on your eyelids when you apply, like so smooth it is. And I also love this kajal because it has a nice pencil touch, which really makes it easy to use. And also it is so velvety when you use it, and I love kajal which are so velvety and they smudge really easily for the brown smoky eye look. So this was all for my Nykaa haul today. I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. I'll leave the link for every product that I've showed you in this video in the description box. So if you want to check them out, you can directly go in my description box and check it out. And I hope you all are staying safe, and I'll see you in my next makeup tutorial. Bye.